Here's what you'll need to clean the earbuds: a cotton swab or Q-tip, and a brush. First, gently take off the earbud tips from the earbuds. Do not use excessive force as the earbud tip may tear. Next, use a cotton swab and a brush to remove any debris or foreign materials from the earbud. Continue until everything is nice and clean. After you finish cleaning, gently push the earbud tip back onto the earbud. If you still need help, leave us a comment or email us at support@avantree.com. Thanks for watching.